So you've seen this thing before. The original is parked, and this is the new one I've been playing with. So I took the battery cable off, put it on top of the PDB, and I added a capacitor also. It's a 25 volt 1000 UF. I have these on my other copters, and just for safety and added protection, but this is able to move the battery back farther, putting this on top. So now it's more center of gravity now. And I put another strap on there, just a little added. And then I stuck more foam. I actually took the hot glue off of the flight controller and put foam across, 2 pieces across, and hot glued it to this top plate, so that just added vibration dampening. I got foam all over the place on this thing, the feet, in between the PDB and the top plate, in between the receiver, the plate, and the PDB, in between the PDB and the bottom plate, and underneath the front motors, and underneath the PDB standoffs, these 2 standoffs that bolt through the bottom. I put longer bolts because they were too short. 2 bolts underneath the battery there. That's why the battery's a little bit cocked like that. I put a piece of foam to protect the battery from the bolts. And yeah, I did another calibration, and the thing was freaking going off that way and going off that way and stuttering, but after a minute it stopped. So I'll show you in the next flight coming up soon. It's flying pretty nice.